We're at the Hyatt Centric French Quarter, New Orleans today. And we're starting out here because I want to show you something. My Apple Watch can unlock the door. Isn't that cool? Every hotel should do that. Anyhow, so now let's enter in, and we're in. On the right-hand side, we have the closet. So this way you can find the ironing board with the safe underneath, and there's bedding on top. I'm gonna mention something about bedding in a bit, but yeah. So if you're gonna close this, as you can tell, it's not gonna close like this. So you have to open both and then close them like this. So something to be aware of. And then on this side, 180-degree turn, pushed in. On the left-hand side is the bathroom. So from left to right, we have the shower tub combo with the amenities bolted to the wall. In the middle is the toilet. On the right is the sink. Underneath the sink, that's where you can find your towels and the hair dryer. And let's venture more forward in the room. On the left-hand side of the room here, we have this sitting area. Now, this lamp really likes giving me kisses. Look how close I am to it. I keep on running into it, but all good. All right. On the right-hand side, we have this entertainment area. On the right-hand side of the entertainment area, we have these outlets. And right-hand side cabinet, we have the mini fridge. Pretty cool. And then on the left-hand cabinet, we have a chest of drawers. So yeah, if you hear crackling in the recording, it's because these floors are kind of loud when you are walking on them. I think the building's kind of old, but yeah, it's all good. The other side is this big king-size bed. Now, keep in mind that this that is currently on the bed is what's in the closet. If you run cold, then you definitely have to bring out this from the closet. I personally run warm when I'm sleeping, so I'm completely fine going with what they had put on the bed when I checked in, but that's something to be aware of. In front is the sitting area. On each side, we have nightstands. On the left nightstand, we have the Keurig cups underneath with a drawer with the Bible, and see, yeah, doesn't smell like anything today. And on the other side, we have the ice bucket and the waters. Right now, there's only one water because we put the other one in the fridge because you get dehydrated really easily. Last thing is we have a view of the courtyard. Now, it's at nighttime, so you might not be able to see anything. So here's our view during the daytime. We get a view of the courtyard that you can access on the second floor. And now back to the regular scheduled programming. So it's very nice to be placed in a room facing the courtyard area, because if you're placed on the street, you will hear the hustle and bustle, especially during Mardi Gras. So keep that in mind. Now, I booked this room using a category 1 through 4 certificate from the World of Hyatt credit card. It's currently, as of recording, a category 4 hotel, and great value to use it, especially during Mardi Gras. And yeah, would you ever stay here? Let me know.